Hello and welcome to Gadgets 360. Today we have with us Lenovo's latest budget smartphone, the K10 Note. With this launch, Lenovo wants to take another shot at the low-cost smartphone market in India. Let's get our first look at this smartphone. But before we go ahead, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already and hit that bell icon so you know when we post a new awesome video. Now let's get started. This is the box of the Lenovo K10 Note. The design is fairly minimalist with just the phone's branding on the front and side. The back of the box doesn't have any specifications or other details. So let's not wait any longer and check out what is inside. At first, we are greeted by the phone itself. It's wrapped in plastic with some key specifications printed on the outside. Let's remove that and boot up the device. The rear panel has a glossy finish. We have the black color variant with us, which does look pretty nice. Now let's put the phone aside for a moment and check out everything else inside the box. So there's your regular quick start guide and some paperwork. Then we have the charger, a USB Type-C cable, and finally a SIM eject tool. And this is a quick look at everything that you get inside the box of the Lenovo K10 Note. The Lenovo K10 Note sports a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus display up front with a tiny dewdrop notch and a sizable chin at the bottom. Lenovo claims to have achieved a 90% plus screen to body ratio with this device. The smartphone runs on Android 9 Pie and our unit has come with the May 2019 security patch. Under the hood, there's the Qualcomm Snapdragon 710 SoC with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. If that's not enough for you, then there's also a 6GB RAM plus 128GB storage variant that you can buy. The volume and power buttons are found on the right. The 3.5mm headphone jack, USB Type-C port and a single speaker are found at the bottom. On the left, there's a hybrid dual SIM tray, and finally there's a single microphone at the top. Coming to the rear of the smartphone, we see the capacitive fingerprint sensor and cameras. The Lenovo K10 Note has a triple rear camera setup with a primary 16MP f1.8 camera, an 8MP telephoto camera and a 5MP depth sensor. Selfies are handled by a 16MP front camera. Also, the smartphone is equipped with a 4050 mAh battery. And that was our quick unboxing and first look of the Lenovo K10 Note. You can expect a full review coming up soon on our channel. Thanks for watching, and for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.